we got to do is remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the blower motor is located behind the glove box. So we're just going to unhinge the glove box and we should be able to see the blower motor and remove it from that position. Alright, let's open it up. And then we're going to push the ends in. These little rubber stoppers so they clear. Now we can see the blower motor right there. Now I'm going to take a small screwdriver here and release the lock on this piece to get it out of the way. Now what I did on this piece right here was I pushed this little tab in, the little lock. Let me slide that out of the way. That will give us a little room right there to work with. Now let's remove the electrical connector right here. Alright, got it. Now the blower motor itself is held in by 3 8mm headed screws. Here's the bottom one right here. We're going to remove that. Let's see, can you see this one over here? Here is the one on the right. Get that out of the way. And now the last one is located right, and there it is. So I'm going to remove that now. Alright, there's the last screw. Now, let's get this wire out of the way. You have to do just a little bit of twisting here. Not too bad. Get it by this right bracket and this bracket right here. And there it is. Look at that. When was the last time you've seen a blower motor come out through the glove box? Look at that. You don't see too many that come right out through the glove box opening. Pretty slick, I must say. So that's all there is to removing a blower motor from your Ford Freestar.